Here's problem 8 from the 2019 AMC 8. Gilda has a bag of marbles. She gives 20% of them to her friend Pedro. Then Gilda gives 10% of what is left to another friend, Ebony. Finally, Gilda gives 25% of what is now left in the bag to her brother Jimmy. What percentage of her original bag of marbles does Gilda have left for herself? The choices are 20, 33 and 1/3, 38, 45, and 54. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start with the whole bag as 100%. She gives 20% to Pedro. So what's left is 100 minus 20, which is 80%. Next she gives 10% of that 80% to Ebony. That means 90% of the 80% stays in the bag. 90% of 80 is 72%. Finally she gives 25% of that 72% to Jimmy. So 75% of the 72% remains. 75% of 72 is 54%. So after all the giving, Gilda keeps 54% of her original bag of marbles. The answer is 54, which is choice E.